What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And ayun nga, I miss you all. It's been a while na hindi tayo nakapag-update ng vlog. Charot! Feeling famous. Yun nga, because maraming mga priorities last year na pagbigyan ng pansin. And yun nga, bumalik tayo sa pag-aaral. And masyadong busy. Di na natin nagagawa yung the usual natin na ginagawa everyday, like mag-jogging, mag-exercise, magbabasa, mag-journal, and as you can see me naman, maraming pinagbago, and I hope that I can recover it soon, very soon. I'm trying to adjust my hectic schedule. Yeah, even now, medyo chill yung schedule natin ngayon. Mas chill yung tawag niyan. Total of units, but still